In this video, I will show you how to enlarge a single cell size in Microsoft Excel. So like this, firstly select some cells and columns. Now here guys, you will see option merge and center. Click on this drop down or select this first one. Combine and center the contents of the selected cells in a new larger cell. So just click on it like this. You can make more larger. So select more columns and rows. Then click on merge and center. Here are the more options. Merge the selected cells into one, and another option merge across. Merge selected cells in the same row into one larger cell like this. So we can see the different. To unmerge selected this all, and in the last option select here unmerge cells. Now click anyway. And in this cell style, you can select different type of styles like this. If you want to add borders, so select all borders and click anyway. To remove this styles, so select normal. If you want to add this thick outside borders, so select it. So this way guys, you can enlarge a cell, enlarge a single cell in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.